Oh, man. Oh, these really hurt. Oh. Yeah. The laptop on my, well, lap. And I have the hiccups. And that's why you're shaking and jumping so much. Yeah. They're making my back hurt, and I don't know why. Oh. I don't know what that was. Skull Gnome. He's amazing. Dude, I never noticed his heart had polka dots on it. And he has no feet. I'm just now realizing he has no feet. I'm gonna change the voice effects on this because I'm bored. So yeah, I'm a guy now. I have hiccups. Yep. Oh man, these are really bad. I'm sorry you had to get that inside view of my mouth. I'm sure that was quite unnecessary, but whatever.
Hey, it's Simone, and I have hiccups. And, I don't know. Did you hear that? That was my stomach. I wonder how long this is going to last. It lasted for 2 minutes already. Ow! I'm in a very bad situation right here. Can't move. My butt fell asleep. Oh, this is very uncomfortable.
Skull Gnome, eat your soul. I'm sure this is gonna sound really demonic after I play it back.
Whatever.
No. I'm saving you. That's gonna sound really deep.
I saved you the trip, or the view of the inside of my mouth again. I have like a bald spot. This is weird. Probably just the way my hair is parted, but whatever. I desire no other part. Dude, how long are these gonna last? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18. That's the end of it. No, it's not. Yeah. I have 18 gallons of water down here, and water is all I need to cure my hiccups. But what the heck? I got a video going, and they're hiccuping. Well, my hiccups are hiccuping, of course. My hiccuping's facepalm. My hiccups are going off, so why not mess with them?
Let's go back to deep voice again. Just one little hair up right here. Silly me. That's better.
Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy for 5 minutes exactly.